Now, the points minus 1, 2, 7, 2, and K4, where K is a constant, are the vertices of the triangle ABC. The angle ABC is right angle. Find the slope of AB. Alright, no bother. AB is x1, y1, x2, y2. Does anybody just want to give me the answer for that, or do you want me to do the actual slope? Alright, give me the answer for the first one then. A half? Alright, awesome. Now, the slope of BC is a different story, so what we'll do with BC is I'll call, so it's going to be the difference of the y's over the difference of the x's. So in this case, it's going to be, it's going to be 2 take away 4 divided by 7 take away k, which is minus 2 over 7 take away k. Now, you're told it's right angles. You know it's right angles at B. See the way B is the middle letter? That means AB to BC is right angles. Okay? The angle ABC is the right angle. So that means it's right angled at B. That means A to B and B to C is the right angled part. So they're perpendicular to each other. So I get the answer of part 1, which is a half, which you guys told me. I get the answer of part 2. What happens when I multiply the two of these by each other? What has to happen? Huh? What was your answer last night? I did I did B as x2, y2, and C as x1, y1. The answer's still valid. You get what I'm saying? Alright. So when I multiply the two of these by each other, another answer for this one would be you just multiply top and bottom by minus. And if people got that answer, that's also perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply both of them by each other. And what do I have to get when I multiply them both by each other? What has to be the answer if it's perpendicular? Minus 1 has to be the answer. Okay. So let's have a look at it. What's minus 2 divided by 2? Minus 1. Minus 1 over 7 minus k equals minus 1. Multiply both sides by... The minus 1's cancel, don't they? Or more so, the minuses cancel. Then multiply it up. 1 equals 7 minus k. Bring the k to the left, the 1 to the right. Did anybody get k equals 6? Yeah. I don't think I made a mistake then. Alright. Yes. Equal minus 2. Yeah. Suppose it is the same thing. Yeah, you could do it that way as well. No bother. Alright. Now, let's drive on. What's the next thing? So k is 6. Alright. Show that the length AB may be written in this form, right? What do you get for the length of AB, lads? 7 minus minus 1 is 7 plus 1 squared, and then 2 minus minus 2 is 2 plus 2 squared. Did anybody get 64 plus 16, which is 80? And the square root of 80, if you lob it into the calculator, is 4 root 5. There you go. So P is 4. Alright. Now, given the area of the triangle is half the length of the base multiplied by the perpendicular height, find the exact value of AB, of the area of ABC. Well, we know what AB is, so what do we need to find now? We need to find BC, because the area of the triangle is a half AB multiplied by BC. And I currently don't know the length of BC. So we go back to the top. I put B as x1, y1 this time, and this x2, y2, where that's 6 this time, the way Daly would like it. And then we go around this way, and we get 6, take away 7 squared, plus 4, take away 2 squared. I believe that's going to be root 5. Okay, so how do we get the area of the triangle then? Half AB, which is 4 root 5. and times root 5. And we get an answer of 10. Yeah. Throw it on the calculator, you get 10. Who got that one? Mostly. Now we move on to 15. Oh, that's not 15. Alright, give me a sec. Alright, there's 15 there. A triangle has vertices minus 2, 2, q0, and 5, 3. The side PQ is twice as long as side QR. Find the possible values of Q. It's a length question, isn't it? So we're going to need the length formula. Now, you have the length formula there. And we'll start off with PQ. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And what you're going to get here is you are going to get Q plus 2 squared. And then you're going to get 0 take away 2. Alright? And that is PQ. Next thing I'm going to do after that is I'm going to square that out. So you're going to get Q squared plus 2Q plus Q squared. No, plus 4 squared. Sorry, excuse me. Plus 4. And that's plus 4 as well. So did anybody get the square root of Q squared plus 2Q plus 8 for the length of PQ? Yes, good job. Length of PQ. It is 4Q. Sorry, my fault. Square that out. It's 4Q. So Q plus 2 by Q plus 2 should give you that there. Okay. Don't know why to the arrow like that. Now, what's the next thing I have to do? What's the next length I need? I have PQ, so now I'm looking for QR. So QR is going to be square root of. Now once again, does it have Q in it? QR. So it's going to be Q minus 5 squared. Then it's going to be 0 minus 3 squared. You're going to multiply all that out. You're going to get Q squared minus 10Q plus 25 plus 9. And then you're going to get Q squared minus 10Q plus 34. Are we cool with that? Which one's longer, according to the question description? Which one's longer? Huh? PQ is longer. So what does that mean? It means Q squared plus 4Q plus 8 is equivalent to 2 times Q squared minus 10Q plus 34. What do you need to do to both sides? Square them, and what do you get? Q squared plus 4Q plus 8. What happens when you square the 2? 4. And once we square that, now we have next is 4Q squared minus 40Q. 4 times that is 136, is it? Then what you do? Everything onto one side. I'm going to get 3Q squared. I'm going to get 3Q squared minus 44Q. 136 minus 8 is 128. Who got this far? Savage. Did you use the minus b formula? Didn't have to? Great, give me the factors so. 3Q and minus 32. Okay. Oh, I see. And this one is minus 4. Is that right? Good job. You can also do the minus b if you found that tough. Q equals 4, or 3q equals 32, and q equals 32 over 3. Right. Alright, is there any one of these results being ruled out? Is there anything in the description of the question that tells us? Oh, find the possible value of q. They're not two values. Values, plural. So both values are allowed. It says values. Show that the triangle PQR is right angled when Q equals 4. Alright, there's zero need for me to do this. Why is there zero need for me to do this? What do? You guys should be able to do this with your eyes closed. That's 4, 0. Do you got it? You get the slope of PQ. You get the slope of QR. Because I don't know where the right angle is. What's the other slope then? Anybody? PR. Does anybody have the answer for the three slopes? What's the slope of PQ? Is minus a third, is it? What's the slope of QR? Oh, so you hit lucky straight away. So you get the slope of PQ using the traditional y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which you were able to do in second year. You get the slope of PQ to be a third. You get the slope of QR to be 3. How do you get yourself full marks then? How do you show that it's right angles? M1 by M2 equals minus 1. Minus a third times 3 equals minus 1. Minus 1 equals minus 1. And then you can say that PQ and QR are perpendicular. What does that mean? Huh? Yeah, they're at right angles to each other. Right. There you go. Happy days. All right.